This one's really simple. It's called a spear. Fill it up until about it has a 1/4 of an inch tail. To straighten your balloon and lengthen it, you pull on it. They should be longer than 5 foot, but you can make them even longer. Now on this one, a lot of kids get a kick out of, if you can get it straight, you take this one, let me catch this one, and if you throw it, it goes in a perfect line towards where you're throwing it. But you can also add, here, let me try and throw that one again. You can also add tips to it. Make a 1/2 inch pinch twist by 2 inch pinch twist. And it makes a spear tip.